So we're in downtown Nashville. Downtown is kind of different without people around. Last time we came, it was different. It had a different feel to the whole downtown atmosphere. And now, I mean, there's nobody here. Everything is closed. Broadway Street is pretty much closed too.
Are currently on the John something pedestrian bridge. I can't pronounce his last name, but this used to be called the Shelby Street Bridge. It actually used to be a bridge that cars could drive across, but in 2003 they reconstructed it to where it's just a pedestrian bridge. So we're walking across that now over into downtown Nashville. Footage the last time we were here, so we thought we'd do a proper tour for y'all today.
Right now we're walking right in front of Joe's Crab Shack, which is right near the bridge. So we're going to show you around and show you what the Honky Tonks are here in Nashville.
Broadway Street. This is the heart of the Honky Tonks, and this is not what it normally looks like. Of course, everything is pretty much closed due to COVID-19, so usually these streets would be packed with people walking around. That's why they have these barricades over here, and these bars would be hopping right now.
So that back there is Kid Rock's bar. We just passed Luke Bryan's, which is right over there. Here is Jason Aldean's. We came here the last time we came, and it was good. We still recommend it, even though it's closed. But come back when it's open. But now we're passing a gift shop, Nashville Gift. This bar right here is Honky Tonks Central. And then right here, we're at that up there. I guess this is a sports club. I don't know. Still pretty cool. And right behind me, right there, is Alan Jackson's bar. So you kind of get the idea. There's a lot of country music celebrities that have a lot of bars here. I mean, this is what the Honky Tonk is. This is why it's so huge here in Nashville. This is also a great place. We came here when we came for July 4th. It was good. They have a barbecue ribs and stuff, and then right back here is the Bridgestone Arena, which is where they do the ACMs, they do all the country music awards, they do concerts, they do all sorts of stuff. It's pretty big in there. I have not been in there, but I've seen pictures. They did the concerts right before stuff started happening, and it seemed like it's huge. There's also the Bridgestone offices. Right up ahead, we're going to cross the Hall of Fame. We're at the park right across from where, just back there. If you kind of get the picture, and I'll put a map on here, this is all located in the area. It's like a honky tonk area, and then a bunch of big stuff. Right behind me is a Hilton Hotel. Then I don't know what that over there is. Oh, it's the Symphony House, I think. Just so you know, they do make the Bridgestone tires here, I believe, or at least they distribute them here. And if I'm misinforming people that live here in Nashville, please let me know down below, because as much as I know, we're new and I could be wrong. Anyways, back to the tour. So we're coming across the Country Music Hall of Fame. Okay, so we're at the Wall of Fame Park, verified. So this is where they have stars on the ground. The stars on the ground are right here. We're gonna cross on top of them here after this, but we are in front of the Country Music Hall of Fame and Museum, which is here. We came back when we came the first time in July of 2018. We went through the museum. It was pretty cool, pretty awesome. Check it out. Yeah, it was worth it. And back here, there's all the stars. Trace Atkins, Elvis Presley, Randy Travis, Marty Stewart, Little Big Town, Rascal Flatts, Keith Urban, Alan Jackson. It goes on. You get the idea. Country music. So this is pretty cool. So that was the Hall of Fame Park and the Hall of Fame over there. This is the Symphony Center right behind me, and that's what it says on the door, at least right there. And I guess this is where the symphony has their stuff. So now we're walking past the symphony place, and now we're walking right in front of the Bridgestone building and some, I guess it's condos, and then a Starbucks right over there. Now we're heading towards the AT&T building. There's also this random hotel, the Moxie Hotel. Never heard of it or seen anything about it, but it's right here.
There is actually an exit over on Broadway Street that I saw.
Now we're back to Luke Bryan's restaurant. We are also back in Broadway Street. So we went past the AT&T building, which is back there, and now we're passing the Ryman Auditorium, but the front side of it, which is where we went. Well, the first time that we came, we stopped here for some food because we were hungry, and the entrance for the 4th of July event was here, and they didn't let us pass with backpacks, so we had to eat here, find out where to get or where to drop off our backpacks, and then over there there was a hotel that they were willing to hold our backpacks with our stuff
and our camera.
Yeah, because they didn't allow any cameras or anything. We came to this place and we ate here. I think it was like a salad or something.
And in Nashville fashion, even when all the Honky Tonks are closed, they still provide live music. Do y'all hear that? That's awesome.
Yeah, it's pretty cool that they have live music still. I think they're doing a live stream now. So I think we're gonna head back to the car, and I don't exactly know what we're doing next.
Concludes our video of our new hometown of Nashville, exploring downtown. The next few videos coming up will be exploring state parks around Tennessee, so stay tuned.